Welcome back to my channel, and today for our cooking episode we will be making ginataang hipon sa aligue. Now this dish is in preparation for the Lenten season sa mga nag-a-abstain po sa karne. We will be needing 6 cloves of garlic minced and about a tablespoon and a half of ginger cut into strips and 1 medium-sized red onion chopped. We will be using swahe, and this is about 500 grams or half a kilo. And then for our sauce, we'll be using kakanggata or coconut cream. Now to spice up our dish, we will be using 2 kinds of chilies. Yung siling haba or siling pansigang, I've taken out the membrane, and the Thai bird's eye chili. We will be using patis or fish sauce to taste, and also freshly cracked black pepper. Kailangan din po natin ng green onions na magbibigay kulay sa ating dish. And of course, panggisa, kailangan po natin ng cooking oil. So in our hot pan, we will be adding about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. And then we start sauteing our aromatics, starting with the ginger. And then we will add next our garlic. And once we smell the garlic and the ginger, we can then now add our red onions. So we will saute this until our oil is infused with those flavors. Saka po natin ilalagay yung swahe. Now at this point, naglalagay na po ako ng patis as early as now to flavor our shrimp. Para hindi po tayong mahirapang magtansya ng lasa niya towards the end. Now once the shrimp has changed color, naging orange na po ito, lalagyan na po natin ng kakanggata. Now, you can use fresh coconut milk. Yun nga lang po, nahirapan lang kasi ako maghanap ng maggagata sa aking place, malapit sa aking place. Tested ko naman po yung quality na ng Jolly. So, it's as good as the fresh coconut milk. Now, I'm seasoning now with black pepper, and ilalagay ko na po yung Thai bird's eye chili as early as now para po manuot po yung anghang sa ating niluluto. Now, while I'm waiting for this to boil, nung una po hindi ko po talaga ito balak lagyan ng aligue. Pero since naisip ko ang dami ko pang aligue sa ref, why not? Now, I'm tasting as early as now. Now, tinatansya ko na po yung alat nito dahil po medyo patutuyuan natin yung ating gata. Now, at this point, ilalagay ko na po yung aligue or crab paste. This would really make your dish so much richer. Hinay-hilay lang po sa mga high blood. Pero kung ayaw nyo pong lagyan, okay lang po yon kahit wala na pong aligue. But for this recipe, I'm making it richer with crab paste. So we're gonna let this boil until po mag-reduce na yung ating coconut milk. And then we add our siling pansigang. And then pag nagmamantika na po yung ating coconut milk, ilagay na po natin yung green onions. Now, pagkalagay po ng green onions, hintayin lang po natin itong medyo malanta-lanta ng konti. And then, patayin na natin. Tapos na po yung ating ginataang hipon with aligue. there you have it. Isa na namang napakasarap na recipe for today. Now, if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you've tried making this recipe, please do leave a comment so that I would know. Share this video to your family and friends. And kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel ko, mag-subscribe ka na. You can also tap the bell for notifications para sa mga bagong videos at recipes. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye!